Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can pin someone on the Snapchat app. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, make sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So, let's go ahead and get into our topic. And first of all, open up the Snapchat app. Next, go to the chat section. And here you will need to select someone from your conversations. Next, tap and hold on it. Select the option to customize chat and notifications from the menu. And secure the conversation. So as you can see, the chat with a certain person will be pinned in all of your chats, and it will be marked with this pin like this. And always such chats are fixed, they will be in the first place. In this quick and easy way, friends, you can easily pin someone in the Snapchat app. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please put your likes, write comments under the video, subscribe to the channel. See you soon.